Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to read the data from a PDF file. So in this video, I'm going to use a read PDF text. It is one of the activities that is provided by UiPath itself. So let us see where we can find this activity. So first for this, we need to download the package. So the package is UiPath PDF activities. Okay, so I'm just going to click over here. And as you can see over here, it's UiPath PDF activities already been installed. Okay, so this activity is used to read the data of PDF as string. Okay, so I'm going to use this PDF file, and there's the bot is going to read the data as string from this complete PDF. Okay, let me start the bot. You can see it's a message box. It is just displaying the data which has been extracted from PDF. Okay, and this is the log message that I have written. I mean the log message, the data which has been extracted from a PDF. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.